Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter 2, that is changes in neighborhood and school. What is the meaning of neighborhood? Neighborhood means हमारा आस-पास, हमारा आस-पड़ोस. That is called neighborhood. So let's start. What is the meaning of change? Change is a process through which something becomes different. Change is the law of nature. As the time passes, everything undergoes change. Our lifestyle, clothes, foods, tradition are not the same as they were during our parents' or grandparents' time. They also change with time. Changes in lifestyle. Lifestyle क्या होता है? Lifestyle means the way in which people live their life. लाइफस्टाइल वो है जिसमें लोग अपनी जिंदगी जीते हैं जिस तरीके से. एंड चेंजेस हैपन इन लाइफस्टाइल ड्यू टू टेक्नोलॉजी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, as you can see in the first picture, teacher is teaching on the blackboard, and in another image the teacher is teaching with the help of smart board. And nowadays several schools across the India using online teaching learning process, as in our school also, and have made a tablet compulsory in school curriculum. Even small children know how to connect iPad to Wi-Fi. In second example, you can see that in earlier time the families used to spend the time together. But now, due to technology, most of the people busy on their phones and computers, and because of this, personal relations are losing their identity. Now, by this way, our lifestyle change due to technology. Now we will understand that lifestyle comprises of so many other things, like the food pattern, the type of houses, in clothing pattern, the tradition we follow, and in the work culture. One by one, we learn about the change that come in these fields. First, changes in food. In earlier time, people used to have the homemade food, but now there is a drastic change in food choices. Not even children, but also adults, they prefer to have fast food or processed food, which leads to many problems like obesity, increased cholesterol level, etc. Changes in work pattern. What is the meaning of that? The traditional or old work pattern of 9 to 5, 9 in the morning to the 5 in the evening, full-time job is no longer applies to many workers. Our changing work pattern provides flexible working conditions in many people's lives. People can work from their home, so it becomes more family friendly. Changes in clothes. There is a major change in the clothing pattern as well. In early time, ladies used to wear traditional clothes like sari, and men used to wear bell bottoms. But nowadays, we are accepting the Western style or trends. So, the sari are mostly replaced by jeans and top, and bell bottoms are replaced by jeans. Changes in traditions. Yes, there is drastic change in tradition as well. In earlier time, the family used to worship together. They spent time together. But now, the personal relations are losing identity. Due to technology, children are losing the values. Next is changes in house pattern. Yes, there is a drastic change in house pattern also. In earlier days, there were big old houses with a high ceiling. Ceiling matlab chhat. The high ceiling and ventilator kept the house cool without cooler or AC. The toilets and bathroom were separate and were not attached to the bedrooms. Nowadays, people live in apartments with quite low ceiling and lesser doors and windows. The cooler and AC keep the house cool. Apartments usually have attached bathrooms. Next is reason for change. There are many changes in a family that take place over time. The changes may be in the form of food pattern, clothing pattern, or work pattern. Some members move to new cities in search of better jobs. Now we will do changing school. For example, if your father got transferred from one place to another, so you have to go along with your father. There is a new school for you. With that change in school, you get to learn new tradition because you try to adjust in that environment. While adjusting to that environment, there will be a significant change occur in your lifestyle as well. Next is changing classroom. Changing classroom, it is like earlier you were in second A, but now if you are in third B, so in new class you will have new student. You will make new pairs because change in classroom also, the environment also change, and is that you try to adjust in new environment. Effects of shifting. Yes, change can cause happiness and also unhappiness. How? The movement or shifting from one place to another has changed our family structure in many ways. For example, as I given you earlier, if your father got transferred to another city, then what happened? Earlier you were in joint family, but now you have to move with your father. Now you will be in nuclear family. You have to leave your grandparents. This leads to unhappiness. And sometimes we get happiness. How? Our standard of living improve with better education at new place, or your parents get new job opportunity at new place. It will lead to happiness. What make adjustment easy? Friends. Friends make adjustment easy. Friends are an important part of everybody's life. How to make friend? How you will make friend at new place? By sharing. You should always share things with others. Give flowers. Give flowers to your friends. Say please and thank you. You should play together. You should help each other. By these you will get a new friend. Change is good. Yes, change is good to us in many ways. Like, change helps us to grow and learn new people, new tradition, new places. Also, it is an important part of our life. As we know, nothing remains permanent. Change always happens. Also, change creates excitement in our life. How to adjust to change? As I told you, friends make it easy. But what should you do? First, accept the change. Remember, the change always happens. Nothing remains permanent. So accept it. Secondly, be patient, because adjustment takes time, so we should be patient, not passive, patient. Seek family support during this changing period, because family will make us more homely. Gender sensitivity. It means to be sensitive towards all the gender, male or female. Also, it addresses the problem of gender inequality. What is the meaning of gender inequality? Gender inequality refers to health, education, economic and political inequalities between men and women in India. We need gender sensitivity in two fields. First is related to play. In earlier time, what used to happen? That sport was always been identified with men. But now, women make our nation very proud. For example, Mary Kom, Geeta Fogart, Mithali Raj. The another field of gender sensitivity related to work. In old days, the jobs of man and women were clearly demarcated. Demarcated means सीमा निर्धारित कर देना कि ये मेल की है, यहाँ पे मेल काम करेगा, इस वर्क प्लेस में फीमेल काम करेगी. That means the particular work is for women. The household works for the women and the outside work like army, air force, navy, these worthy jobs were assigned to men. But now, students, things have changed. Women are also working in all the fields. They are also working as astronauts, doctors, pilots, and so on. By this topic, we should understand that everyone is equal and nobody should be discriminated on the basis of its gender. Anyone can do any work. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay healthy.